well as my phone, so I don't have the complete timing to do, you know. Yeah, buddy. You got more space. Oh, you got more. Go ahead. She like went towards the middle of the section when the light was red, essentially eating the light, but she stopped, which was, you know, but then now she have to back up. She's still in the middle of the intersection. Car wanted to go straight. She's still blocking the car that the ones that going left she could go, but the cars that going this way she's blocking. She's like right past the crosswalk already. Like you're still in the middle of the intersection, so to speak. You're blocking the whole one way lane.